Hey there! Are you worried about exceeding your mobile data limit? Let me show you how to easily track your data usage on any Android phone. Make sure to subscribe, like, and comment if you find this helpful. First, open the Settings app. Next, scroll down and tap on Mobile Data or Network and Internet, depending on your phone's model. Here, you'll see an option called Data Usage or Mobile Data Usage. Tap on it. Here you can see the total data usage for the current cycle. You can even set a data limit or warning to ensure you never exceed your plan. Simply tap the settings icon in this menu and configure your limit. And that's it. Keeping track of your data usage is super simple, and it can save you from unexpected charges. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.